Let's save the environment.
Hello everyone, I am Michiman Aguilar. Let's talk about environmental awareness. What is environmental awareness? It means understanding the impact of our action on the environment and taking responsibility for protecting from the air we breathe to the water we drink. Our natural world is deeply connected to our everyday lives. When we throw away plastic, waste water, or cut down the trees, we're harming the very system to keep alive. But when we recycle, conserve energy, or plant trees, we're making difference. Environmental awareness. First step is creating a cleaner, healthier planet, and it starts with you.
Hello everyone, let's talk about climate change. Climate change is real and it's happening faster than we expected. It's caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels, which release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat, leading to rising temperature, melting ice caps, stronger storms, and droughts. But we can fight back by using renewable energy, reducing waste, and supporting climate policies. We can help slow down climate change. Every small step, like biking instead of driving, turning off lights, adds up. The planet needs us now more than ever.
The third topic, pollution and its effect. Pollution is everywhere, in the air, our ocean, and even in the food we eat. Plastic pollution kills marine life. Air pollution harms our lungs, and chemical waste poisons soil and water. It's bad not only for the earth, it's bad for us too. The good news, we can help reduce pollution by saying no to single-use plastics, using eco-friendly products, and supporting companies take care about the environment. Clean habit, create clean planet. Thank you.
Other one, deforestation. Did you know we lose millions of trees every year due to deforestation? Forests are home to over 80% of the world terrestrial species. Trees clean the air, store carbon, and even helps regulate the water cycle. But when development, we lose vital ecosystem and increase climate risk. Protecting forests means protecting life. You can help by supporting sustainable farming, reducing paper waste, and replanting trees. Let's stand up for our forests before they disappear.
In the fifth topic, conservation of water. Water is life, but with increasing pollution, overuse, and climate change, clean water is becoming scarce. Did you know that billions of people around the world still don't have access to safe drinking water? We can conserve water by fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and turning off taps when not in use. Even small acts like early in the morning can save gallons. Let's use water wisely because every drop counts. Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
And last, be the change. You don't need to be a scientist or politician to protect the planet. Each of us has power in our choices, our voices, and our action. Start by learning more, speaking up, and encouraging others to live sustainability. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Support green businesses. Plant trees, choose public transport. Every positive action creates a ripple effect. The earth is our only home. It is up to us to care for it. Let's be the change we wish to see in the world, starting today.